Hello guys, bienvenidos al ¿Qué esperar? De la unidad 9 del Interchange Intro. El objetivo de esta unidad es que aprendas a hablar sobre la comida y describir diferentes hábitos alimenticios. Recuerda que este video está diseñado para que puedas tener una vista general del contenido de la unidad y no como un sustituto del libro o la clase. Si lo que quieres es dominar los conceptos relacionados con esta unidad, debes estudiar las lecciones que te dejaré en la descripción del video.
Word Power, Foods, Part A. Listen and practice. Good food for good health.
For good health, eat a lot of fruits, vegetables, and grains. Eat some dairy, meat, and other protein. Eat healthy fats and oils.
Fruit and vegetables. Apples. Lemons. Bananas. Kiwis. Blueberries. Oranges. Tomatoes. Onions. Lettuce. Carrots. Potatoes. Broccoli.
Grains. Pasta. Noodles. Rice. Crackers. Bread. Cereal.
Meat and other proteins. Beans. Nuts. Eggs. Beef. Chicken. Fish.
Dairy. Cheese. Milk. Yogurt.
Fats and oils. Butter. Mayonnaise. Oil. Cream.
Conversation. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes. Listen and practice.
Do we need any lettuce for the sandwiches?
Good idea. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes.
Do we have any bread?
No, we need some. And we don't have any cheese.
Let's get some cheese then. And some chicken too.
We have some chicken at home.
Oh, all right. How about some potato salad?
Sure. I love potato salad.
Great. Let's buy some. Do we need any lettuce for the sandwiches?
Good idea. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes.
Do we have any bread?
No, we need some. And we don't have any cheese.
Let's get some cheese then. And some chicken too.
We have some chicken at home.
Oh, all right. How about some potato salad?
Sure. I love potato salad.
Great. Let's buy some.
Grammar focus. Count and non-count nouns. Some and any. Count nouns.
An egg. Eggs. A potato. Potatoes.
Do we need any potatoes?
Yes, let's get some potatoes. No, we don't need any potatoes.
Non-count nouns.
Bread. Lettuce.
Do we need any lettuce?
Yes, let's get some lettuce. No, we don't need any lettuce.
Pronunciation. Sentence stress. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice the stressed words.
Do we need any beans?
Yes, we need some beans.
Do we need any rice?
No, we don't need any rice.
Snapshot. Listen and practice. Breakfast around the world. The United States.
Cereal with milk. Fresh fruit. Orange juice. Coffee. Pastries.
Japan.
Fish. Rice. Soup. Pickles. Green tea.
Costa Rica.
Rice and beans. Eggs. Red peppers. Bananas. Coffee with milk.
Conversation. We always have green tea. Listen and practice.
What is a typical Japanese breakfast, Kaito?
Well, we usually have fish, rice, and soup.
Fish for breakfast? That's interesting.
Oh, it's really good. Sometimes we have a salad too, but we never have coffee.
Really? What do you have?
We always have green tea.
I love green tea.
Listen, my family usually has a Japanese-style breakfast on weekends. Why don't you come to my house on Sunday?
That's very nice of you. Thanks. What is a typical Japanese breakfast, Kaito?
Well, we usually have fish, rice, and soup.
Fish for breakfast? That's interesting.
Oh, it's really good. Sometimes we have a salad too, but we never have coffee.
Really? What do you have?
We always have green tea.
I love green tea.
Listen, my family usually has a Japanese-style breakfast on weekends. Why don't you come to my house on Sunday?
That's very nice of you. Thanks.
Grammar focus. Adverbs of frequency.
I always eat breakfast.
I usually eat breakfast.
I often eat breakfast.
I sometimes eat breakfast.
I hardly ever eat breakfast.
I never eat breakfast.
Sometimes I eat breakfast.
Do you ever have fish for breakfast?
Yes, I always do.
Sometimes I do.
No, I never do.
Always. Usually. Often. Sometimes. Hardly ever. Never.
Listening. Carrots are my favorite. Part A. Devon and Victoria are talking about food. How often does Victoria eat these foods? Listen and check often, sometimes, or never.
So, what looks good, Victoria?
I don't know yet.
Well, the soup is really good. Do you like noodles?
Oh, yeah. I often eat noodles for lunch. I just don't want them tonight.
Okay. Well, the chicken is great here. How about that?
Oh, no. I never eat chicken. I don't like meat.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes I have fish or eggs, but I never eat chicken or beef.
So, do you eat a lot of vegetables?
Yes. Carrots are my favorite. I often have some in the afternoon for a snack.
Reading. It's a food festival.
La tomatina. People usually eat tomatoes, but once a year in Buñol, Spain, people just throw them. Yes, that's correct. The whole town of Buñol has a giant tomato fight. It's very messy. By the end of the day, there are squashed tomatoes all over town. In fact, there are 120 tons of squashed tomatoes. Garlic Festival. All over the world, people use garlic in their cooking. Some people in California in the U.S. really like garlic. They like it so much that every year they celebrate it with a garlic festival. You can taste garlic in everything you can think of. There's even garlic ice cream and garlic popcorn. Monkey Buffet Festival. There's something very interesting about this food festival. It's not for people. It's for monkeys. In Lopburi, Thailand, people bring all kinds of different fruits and leave them out for the monkeys to eat. They bring pineapples, apples, mangoes, and bananas, of course. It's the people's way of saying thank you to the monkeys. That's because tourists come to see the monkeys, and that helps the people's businesses. Isn't that cool? Bread for the Day of the Dead. The Day of the Dead is a very important day in Mexico. Many people celebrate their family members and friends by baking special bread. They make bread in the shape of humans, flowers, bones, and animals. The bread is sweet, and sometimes it has anise seeds or orange in it.
Así concluimos con esta lección. Espero que te haya sido útil. Si así lo fue, por favor, apóyame para seguir creando este tipo de contenido, dándole like y suscribiéndote al canal. Hasta la próxima.